Good morning, students. Here is in our class 7th English, there is a poem, The Squirrel. Here is the poem is based on a squirrel, an animal. You may have seen a squirrel sitting on the ground eating a nut. What did it look like? Here is a poet's description of just such a squirrel. So, here poet has described the squirrel who is sitting on the trunk of the tree. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play, and if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. Mildred Bowers Armstrong. So here poet says about the squirrel. Here you can see the squirrel is sitting on the tree and eating nuts. So, he wore a question mark for tail. Its tail is like a question mark, like this. You can see here, starting from here. So, he wore a question mark for tail. इसकी tail है, its tail looks like question mark. An overcoat of grey, an overcoat, upper skin and hair is grey color. He sat up straight to eat a nut. It is sitting straight to eat a nut. Eating nuts. Here you can see squirrel eats nuts. Nuts means anything like almond, cashew nut, walnut, groundnut, etc. He liked to tease and play. He liked to tease and play. It teases people's, birds and other creatures on the tree and plays from running here to there. If you have seen that he is going up to tree and comes down and playing here and there and catches and holding eatings, other things, etc. And if we ran around his tree, if we go to near his tree, he went the other way, went away. He always goes away when we go nearer to him. He go away. So, a little squirrel is described here. We have learnt about this. So, this is the end of our poem, The Squirrel. In this part, we also learning about 3 questions, the lessons question answers. Here is one. Match items in list A with their meanings in list B. Wounded, severely injured, awoke, got up from sleep, forgive, pardon, faithful, loyal, bads, small patches of ground for plants, return, give back. And second is, each of the following sentences has 2 blanks. Fill in the blanks with appropriate form of the word given in the brackets. Appropriate form of the verb we have to use here. Here, he has promised to help me. Do you think he will remember his promise? He has promised to help me. Do you think he will remember his promise? Now, 1. The judge said that only fresh evidence would make him change his judgment. So, here we have to use various forms of verbs made by or made of verbs. Second one is, I didn't notice any serious difference of opinion among the debaters, although they differ from one another over small points. It is a fairly simple question to answer, but will you accept my answer as final? 4. It isn't necessary that necessity should always be the mother of invention. 5. Hermits are wise men. How they acquire their wisdom, no one can tell. 6. The committee has decided to make Jagdish captain of the team. The decision is likely to please everyone. 7. Asking for forgiveness is as noble as willingness to forgive. So here we have used various forms of verbs by making adjectives, nouns, etc. So thus our chapter here ends, and read this poem carefully. Goodbye.